Hello everybody. Today I'll be sharing a very interesting feature of Android which I'm sure you all will like. Let's take an example. Suppose you want to transfer some files between two mobile devices. For small files, we already had Bluetooth, which is a very efficient and fast way for sharing files which are small in size. But imagine if you have, say, couple of hundreds of image files or a video file which is across, 1 GB in size. That time, Bluetooth won't be able to work. It'll take a very large amount of time to transfer a 1 GB file between two mobile devices, and the chances of getting that failure is very high. We had applications like ShareIt, Xender, and MeShare, which allowed you to share files between mobile devices, and they made use of Wi-Fi Direct as well as Bluetooth. But there was a very bad point to these applications. All these applications were Chinese, and there was a little bit of suspicious, nature about those applications. Many of those applications are actually banned right now in India. We have the Files applications by Google, as you can see on my screen, which allows you to share files between two mobile devices. But there again is a limitation with Files app that both the mobile devices should have the Files app. Then only the file transfer can work. Now, what if I told you that there was a new solution to sharing files between mobile devices? A solution which is not dependent on any application and which is as secure as the Android core system itself. That new feature is Nearby Share. In this video, I would be explaining how to use Nearby Share between two mobile devices. So all these steps requires you to at least have an Android device upwards of version 9. To access Nearby Share, all I need to do is swipe down from my home screen to the notification panel and select the Nearby Share option. As you can see, it presents me with a menu to choose my visibility level. I can set it to hidden level, which will make my device hidden from all the nearby mobile devices. I can set it to contacts so that all my nearby contacts can identify my mobile device. Or I can set it to everyone so that temporarily everybody around me can see my mobile device. I'll set it for contacts for now. We have few options as well, some settings related to this, where we can set the visibility of the device and we can set the notifications. As you can see, my account is being displayed and my device name is also being displayed there. Nearby Share requires you to have your Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and GPS enabled at that time. Once that is there, I can simply set it to my contact level and need to do the similar operations on the other phone as well. For this purpose, I'm using my second phone and I would be sharing a file from that phone to this phone. Note that currently I have set the visibility of my Nearby Share as everyone. For my other phone, I will share the file, and in the share menu, all I need to do is select Nearby Share. The other phone would be searching for my device as the name of that phone. Once I'm able to identify my present device from my other phone, I just need to click on it and that other phone will now try to connect with this phone. As you can see, there's a request being presented on my screen which is saying that a device wants to share this file with me. I can see the other phone's name as well as I can either accept or decline the file option. For now, I'll accept it and immediately I can receive the file on my phone. It is a simple process and a very fast process for sharing file between mobile devices. I hope you like this feature. Please try out this feature, and if you have any other questions, please let me know in the comments and I'll try to answer them. Thank you so much and have a nice day.